Hi, this is Rick, and today we're going to learn how to create templates on eBay in ERP Cloud. The steps are, first you have to log in as a user in ERP Cloud, and then you go to the e-commerce module and select eBay. In templates, you fill in the mandatory fields. It's important to use the placeholder where we define titles of products and which lists the product titles on eBay. In buyer requirements, we can specify what should be the primary requirements of the buyer. In return policy, we can specify the policy for return of product. In shipping, there are three types: domestic shipping, international shipping, and handling time. In payment methods, we can define the payment option, whether it's PayPal, credit cards, whatever. When you've done all that, you click on Save and you're ready to go. So let's see how it flows in ERP Cloud. So we're in the e-commerce module under eBay, and we go to Temples and Attributes, click on that, and there we have templates. So we can select an existing template or create a new template. So we'll create new. So the template name is TV for television. And then we've got to establish a placeholder. And we do that first with %, and then the placeholder itself, which we'll call title, and then end with %. And we'll select bold title, so it'll appear in bold. And then we'll select or define a category. We'll search more and find the category TV. So we select that. Then you can add a description if you want to. It is TV, that's the template name, so we'll put in a meaningful description. And we'll put in television. Correct the spelling. Go down. And we can select conditions. Could be new televisions or refurbished or whatever. We'll select new. And then the placeholder. Here we add an item. And the name will be title, because that's what we have as the placeholder. Remember, with the percentages. And then a value, and we'll put in a value of Sony. So that creates a placeholder for TVs from Sony. So we'll save and close that. So we can add additional placeholders if we want, or additional options under the placeholder for different type of TVs, for example. All right, so we've done all that. Selected the title, the value, and again we could add items if we want under the category TV to go under the placeholder. So once we've completed that, category, description, placeholder, we can define the buyer requirements. First you have to activate the buyer requirements, and that gives you a variety of options. Don't have a PayPal account, have a primary shipping address and location that don't ship to, have received. So you can select a range of requirements. And then you can also define your return policy. For example, returns not accepted or returns accepted. If you decide to accept returns, you must define the term during which they would be accepted, like 14 days, 30 days, 60 days. And the refund will be given as money back, for example. Return shipment to be paid by the buyer or the seller. In this case, we'll say returns not accepted. A shipping type for defining when a purchase is made, how the product will be shipped. And this is domestic shipping. It could be a flat rate, calculated cost based on the buyer's location, freight large items over 150 pounds, or no shipping, local pickup only. So we'll have flat rate cost to all buyers. And you can have 4 different options for shipping. First option could be free shipping, for example, or it could be defined as some other shipping type. UPS ground, for example. Then we'll define the cost as $50 with an additional cost of $2. That could be a service charge or whatever. And then the handling time within 10 days, for example. So we also have international shipping options. So if you wanted to ship internationally, you would activate that, and there are 5 different options available. So again, it's shipping type, cost, etc. Well, we're going to just do domestic shipping in this case. And then payment methods. And here you can add 1 or more payment methods. In this case, we'll select PayPal. It could be money orders, personal checks, credit cards. We'll make it easy and just use PayPal. So there you have it. We've gone through buyer requirements, return policy, shipping type, payment method, product listing. Once you've done all that, you save. And there you are. That's how it flows. So again, you log in as a user in ERP and Cloud. In the e-commerce module, you go to eBay. And in templates, you fill in the mandatory fields. The important part is the placeholder, where you define the title of the product and which list the product title would go to on eBay. In buyer requirements, we can specify what should be the primary requirements of the buyer. In return policy, we can specify the policy for return of product. In shipping type, there are domestic and international shipping and handling time. In payment methods, we can define the payment options. And then you click to save. And that's all there is to it. Hope this has been useful. Thank you.